Okay, so then you said 2016 was Jamaica, the song Jamaica. How did that single do for you at that time there?
At the time, it did way more than I was expecting.
Okay.
Yeah, because I got the attention of David Rodigan, who is like, he's been a really big supporter of mine. You know, I really appreciate the efforts that him put out to support me, because he really truly believe in my talent. You know, when he came to Jamaica for BBC One Extra Live recordings, he called me to Jamaica. When he come back again, he called me again. I feel like he was just rallying for me, you know. And he played Jamaica on his track week after week for about 10 weeks until it was like, I don't know if it was number one or something. And he said to me in person, "Yo, Bella," when I went to, you know, he got the accent. "Yo, Bella," when I went to, I don't know if it was Ibiza or something. I don't want to call her wrong country name. So and so, and I played that track. The place went wild.
Crazy. Somewhere where you haven't even been yet, but your music touched these places already. And that's so crazy.
Oh man, I'm so blessed, because when I check, because I'm very hands-on when it comes on to the, not only the creative side of my music, but the business aspect. So I get to see where my views and my listenerships are coming from. And when I see the country, then I say, well, Lord, me used to tour Europe and some of them countries I never there yet, and I have listenership there. Yeah. You know what I mean? It's crazy and overwhelming sometimes to see the amount of support I get outside of my country, which is Jamaica. You know, I'm forever grateful and happy that I made the decision that, you know, I will venture out into the land of music.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.